Xin Jinming, Shanghai, Packaging Technology Company Limited. Established in 2023, is a professional engaged in the design, sale, and service of packaging and printing. Before that, our cooperative factory has more than 20 years of domestic industry experience from design to delivery. Our cooperation company has own R&D QC and 3 advanced production lines, equipped with 1 automatic publishing machine, 2 Heidelberg printing machines, 4 manual die cutting machines, 2 fully automatic die cutting machines, 2 fully automatic laminating machines, and 2 high-speed inspection box gluing machines. Our associated factory covers design and production of paper packaging, film packaging, and gift box packaging. We are located in Shanghai with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained FSCTUV certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, Italy, Germany, Switzerland, Poland, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, Cyprus, etc. We also welcome OEM/ODM. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our philosophy is to be grateful, embrace change, be committed to serving every customer well, and be committed to improving the happiness of our followers. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.